not small names that no one knows. She was fighting in the battlefield, protecting the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Uhud. Everywhere he looked, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he would see her protecting him. And she fought in a number of battles. Aisha radiallahu anha is a scholar. She is energetic. The way she speaks is so assertive. We see that in the example of Hafsa radiallahu anha. These are women who are scholars. These are women who are aware of their identity and their connection to Allah. And when the verses on hijab were revealed, they didn't question them. Instead, they immediately wore them and they shared them with their sisters. And the reason that I think us understanding the reaction of the female companions and making them our friends is important is because, again, when we talk about, I grew up, and Dr. Haytham, like you mentioned, 10, 15 years ago, that's when I grew up. Maybe like 20 years ago, I only heard about marriage and modesty and motherhood. And these are so important. But I really didn't hear or even see many female scholars, many women who memorized the Quran. Like these are what the female companions also did.